5-element consciousness framework, they came from the many different levels, many different areas, allow you to see the situation. Behind this situation is interrelationship. So which framework can allow us through the situation to see interrelationship? Without the deal this interrelationship, we are just change the sentence. We are just change the situation. We never change it, root cause the problem. So the root cause the problem always at the invisible level. The root cause the problem always related to interrelationship. So the interrelationship doesn't change. Outcome can be look like a change, but the root never change. So the energy will accumulate at a different purpose. Energy will create a different kind of sentence. So that's why what I think how to introducing one kind of simple, it's called a simple, but also practical framework. Then each one of us can, through this framework, to understand everything is a connect. Once you understand everything is a connect, then you might be able to see your position in this situation instead of just look at yourself. Then you might be able to see the situation, the words I can say more profoundly, then you will find the solution how to change yourself instead of change the situation.